Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing missing return statement errors, a comprehensive guide. The missing return statement error, often seen in languages like Java, C++, and C, is a common hurdle for programmers. It signals that a function or method declared to return a value is executing without actually providing that value before it finishes. This can lead to unpredictable program behavior and crashes. This tutorial will delve into the causes of this error, explore various scenarios where it can occur, and provide you with a robust set of strategies and code examples to effectively resolve it. 1. Understanding the error ****. A function declaration, example int myFunction, string getData, specifies the type of data the function